हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। मुझे आज बोलना था योगा और मेडिटेशन के बारे में। अभी 21 मई इज़ योगा डे, इंटरनेशनल योगा डे, एंड मोदी जी ऑल्सो सेड दैट it's a day when we will be working on aging, aging very nicely with yoga. So मेरे हिसाब से तो योगा इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द बॉडी. लाइक when I also get tired, I just do some yoga in the morning and in the evening. And stretching is very important. Stretching makes your body very flexible, and it reduces all the pain. So उठने के बाद सुबह when you are in the morning, you get up, we have to do stretching little, because bed में लेटे लेटे करवट लेटे लेटे 7-8 घंटे all night, we get tired and body gets stiff. So सुबह योगा करना सबसे बेस्ट होता है. और मेडिटेशन हमारी सोल के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, हमारे माइंड के लिए और ब्रेन के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो दोनों ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिकॉज हम आउटर बॉडी की हेल्प करते हैं और बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं, बट हमारी मेंटली हेल्थ इज़ वेरी ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज we need a we need a peaceful mind and relaxed mind to do our all work, and to go whole day in our journey, whatever we are doing. So meditation is very important, and yoga is, both are very important. So there are the events going on, so many events going on. One is going in Rutherford, New Jersey, and another one is in River Edge. They are doing meditation. First they are doing yoga, and then 20 minutes meditation, 20 to 30 minutes meditation, which is a very good experience, and it's all free, so we can join. And I shared my all the posters, all the link in my post, in my page, in FB page. There are the link and address where this is happening, so we all can go and join, and it will be wonderful. uh, it is very important. I feel like yoga is very important, so as well as a meditation, because it is said dhyan, dharana, and samadhi, pratyahar. There are the 7 steps. We have to, we do that. Actually, we all do that, but going deeper, we need all this yoga and meditation, so that our mind get relaxed and we get relaxed, our soul get relaxed, and our whole body. And it's a nice healing also, beautiful healing, because when mind and body both are in line and both are relaxed, it helps us in every way. We feel so good, so happy, and so light. And that's the same thing with connecting with nature also. Connecting with nature, connecting with sun, connecting with moon. We get so much from them, because sun is giving all the light, and early morning taking the sun bath is very helpful. So as in the night, if we walk in the shade of moon and just connect with it, it's beautiful. So I hope we all will join the meditation and yoga on River Edge, and the other place, River Edge, and I forgot that another page, but I shared in my page, so everybody can watch it. It's a beautiful event, and we all can go together and do it together. It will be so much energy, because when we all go do together, there is so much energy, and we can feel it, and we can be very happy, and it's really theoretical, very beautiful. Means we can only feel it, we can't explain in the words. Both the thing is so important. I hope we all will join, and we all will do. I do heartfulness meditation. It's a beautiful meditation, and I am doing since 30 years now. I started very young, when I was very young. So it changed my life, and it's beautiful. Every day it's a different journey, and Daji is explaining so much and doing so much lot of work in whole world, while even Modi ji is supporting him and all the ministers are supporting him. I'm so happy. So if you want to attend the meditation heartfulness, you can check the website www.heartfulness.org, and you can see, go there and see everything. And if you are interested, text me or message me. I can hook you up with the trainers, because trainers help you to do meditation easily. They teach you how to do it, and they do one-on-one, and they give you sessions, like 3 sessions, and then you can start at home. So it's very practical and very nice. So if you want, let me know and connect with me. Okay, bye bye. Today is my last day of school this summer. I'm so super excited. There will be a lot of celebration going on, and I am very happy that I will be getting holidays. So it will be fun. So nice. Uh, Thank you so much. This is Dipti Chauhan. Bye. Take care. Love you all.